Jackson Boyle, 4-time state finalist in the science fair and attendee at the International Science Fair in Phoenix, Arizona last summer, to talk about his science fair project and how the Delcom Foundation helped him do this. So, Jackson, what was your project for this year's state science fair?
This year what I did was I tested an engine and ran different fuels through it for an alternative fuel source, and I tested the emissions and power that it produced.
And I understand you used some technology that was provided from the Delcom Foundation. What technology did you use?
I used this LabQuest that was donated. I used this exact probe, which was a carbon dioxide reader that measures the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. So as you can see, like when you breathe into it, it goes up and it goes down when it's farther away. I used this to map different charts that I had for it, so it could test what the amount was in the air, and then it'll also give you on a chart your readings that you get from it in different ways, and it'll graph it as it goes through.
I'm here with Terry Summers. He's the teacher of chemistry here at Delta High School, and so you've got some new equipment that the Delcom Foundation helped provide. And what do you have, and how do you use it in the classroom?
Okay, this is called a Vernier LabQuest 2, and it can do several things. It's basically a computerized lab equipment piece that can do multiple things. One of the things it can do is can take temperature. It hooks up to different probes, and this is a temperature probe that can measure the temperature of a liquid during a chemical reaction. So right now we're simulating or taking the temperature of the water in this beaker. It prints out on this display, gives us a temperature reading, and it will show as it changes. We did a lab recently with the heating curve of water changing the temperature of it.
Well, so without this technology, you wouldn't have been able to test the emissions nearly as easily, would you?
No, I would have probably rigged up something that was been just a positive or a negative, not really a conclusion of what was actually there.
So this really did help with your bid to go to the International Science Fair for a second year.
Yeah, so